Good morning Saudi Arabia, good morning Philippines. Meron na naman tayong magic tricks guys. Tanggalin natin dalawang joker guys. Yung spectators guys, sasabihin niyo lang kung stop. Sabihin niyo lang kung stop yung spectators guys. Sample stop sabi niya guys. Four of spades guys. Ito yung card ng spectators guys. Four of spades. Kukuha tayo ng 2 cards guys. Yun yung gagamitin natin pang tracking card guys. Katin natin guys. Kahit ilang beses niya katin guys yung spectators. Ngayon guys, kukunin natin yung dalawang card natin guys na tracking card. Ngayon guys, spell magic. M-A-G-I-C magic. Ito na yung card ng spectators guys na 4 of spades. Buksan natin guys. The magician is always correct guys. Thank you for watching guys.